Good morning, team. Markets are pretty flat here for Tuesday. I want to go over a few things, a few market movers here. We got a couple of upgrades that are nice we'll take a look at today. Our newsletter's out in the trade room. Square was just upgraded by Wolf Research with a perform to outperform with a price target of 195. So take a look here. We'll look at Square quick. Square is on the rise. 163 upgraded to 195. We're going to be looking for that for a swing trade. Square is looking good. Breakout momentum. We got the 1020 cross, the MACD candles above 1020.50. We'll look for that 175 as the first target area of resistance, and we could look for that for a quick trade. Then, also, yesterday when we went over our class in the afternoon, we took a look at AMAT. Take a look at AMAT here, still climbing here in the pre-market hours. It was just up to about $60. It's looking good. That 1020 cross is coming up. I like that. Target of about 65 bucks on AMAT. Walmart's moving here in the pre-market hours. I had this one pulled up first before. Looking good. Still on the climb. Up about a quarter here. 0.18% in the pre-market hours. Big movers though. Yesterday we got into a silver trade. Take a look at silver and gold continuing to climb. Here's silver shares ETF continuing to climb, getting up to that 2250. That's going to be our first area of resistance, and then we're going to be looking for that 25. So basically what's in the news today, COVID kills 1 million people across the world globally, and 2 women file sexual assault complaints against Nikola founder Trevor Milton. So here's Nikola down to 1879 a share here in the pre-market hours, down about almost 3% off of that news here. Other than that, tech is in the green this morning. Everything else is pretty flat. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. Let's see any other good upgrades. Estee Lauder upgraded by Goldman Sachs from sell to neutral. They raised their price target from 147 to 231. So take a look at Estee Lauder here, EL. Look at that one climbing. That one has an easy 225 target. It was upgraded to 231. So this might be one that we could look at for a quick little swing trade here going into next week's expo or even the October monthly expo and trade that up to about 225 resistance. Downgrades, not really too much today as far as downgrades goes. Host Hotels was downgraded by Bank of America from neutral to underperform. They dropped their target from $12.50 down to 12 bucks. Really not too much there. Square, like I said, announces a 195 price target. That's going to be one we're going to be taking a look at. AbbVie, Berenberg initiates coverage on AbbVie with hold rating, announces a 98 target. And if you guys remember Abbott Labs yesterday, Trump did that COVID test on Abbott Labs. We were talking about this in the aftermarket, or not the aftermarket, about that in the afternoon trading session here. And it was about 105 when we were talking about this. And since he did that test live on air and announced that they were purchasing so many millions of tests from Abbott Labs here, that stock started to soar here and continuing to climb. So we'll look at this as well for continued breakout momentum and see if we can make some trades here, guys. So last thing is they initiate coverage on Eli Lilly with a hold rating, announces a 144 price target. And that's pretty much it. Micron earnings today after the bell, so we can take a look at Micron, see if there's any type of trade setup we could jump into for earnings today. We'll take a look at the implied move and see if we could do one of our special iron condors. So other than that, I want to go over one last thing. You guys remember yesterday morning we went over Space. Space was upgraded. They changed the price target to $38 a share. The stock is still climbing up 2.5% here in the pre-market hours, up over 52 cents, 21.03 here a share. Got up to about 21.50 a share a little bit earlier. So Space is continuing to break out here. 22.50 to 25 target on Space, Virgin Galactic. I like that. I might get into another swing trade on that. You got the 1020 cross, MACD cross, first candles above. It's looking good here. So looks good, guys. We'll look for some trade setups today. Most importantly, patience, discipline, follow the trade plan. Okay, watch what the markets do. Alrighty, guys, have a great day, and I will see you guys in the trade room. Take care, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it on social media for us. Thanks, guys, and have a great day. God bless.